and I'm addressing this on your show. When I entered this space, no member of parliament died, no councillor died, no murders took place to put me in power. In fact, this is one of the most peaceful elections. People might be offended by freedom of expression, which is what Darrell and his wife did, but I can tell you, when you look at the core issues, when people want to self-project and deflect, I won't be a part of that. So you're free to say anything and people are free to assume. So coming off, again, social media where I entered representation of Vibes Cartel and Sir P was calling him World Sprat and Tom Fishson and Bert Sprat. I wake up one day and Sir P saying, I Sprat, Backerman. And I tell you, I rate Sir P. Biggest clown on the internet. Like I'm really saying that. But he's making his money. In fact, I give you credit, Sir P, The Fix, all of them.